Is the market crashing? Instead of panicking, what if I told you this could be the best time to invest? Stick around to find out how to not just survive a crash, but come out ahead. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're talking about a topic that can make or break your financial future, investing during a market crash. I know the word crash can sound scary, but trust me, this is the time when smart investors make the most money. So grab your coffee and let's break it down. First, let's talk about what a market crash actually is. A market crash is when stock prices suddenly drop by a significant amount. This could be caused by a number of things: economic instability, unexpected global events, or even a sudden shift in investor confidence. But here's the thing, crashes are a normal part of investing. They happen, and the market always bounces back. Now, it's totally normal to feel a bit of panic when your portfolio drops, but I'm here to tell you it's actually the perfect opportunity. Why? Because when prices fall, you have the chance to buy solid investments at a discount. Think about it like this. Would you rather pay full price for something, or would you want to buy it when it's on sale? Before diving in, you need to know the basics. During a crash, the stock market gets cheaper, but not all stocks are the same. Some companies will bounce back stronger, while others may take years to recover or might never recover at all. The trick is knowing which ones to invest in. Now, I'll give you 3 main tips on how to make this work for you. Look for strong companies with good fundamentals. These are companies that have a proven track record of growth, solid management, and a clear plan for the future. Focus on index funds and ETFs. These are baskets of stocks, so even if one stock takes a hit, the others might help soften the blow. Don't try to time the market perfectly. Timing a market crash is nearly impossible. The key is to keep buying gradually, don't go all in at once. Remember, investing during a crash isn't about short-term gains. It's about long-term growth. If you're thinking short-term, you might get discouraged by the ups and downs. But if you're in it for the long haul, you'll see the benefits when the market recovers. Think about some of the best investors in the world. Like Warren Buffett, he's not in it for the next month or even the next year. He's in it for decades. Having a strategy is crucial. Here are 2 strategies you can use. Dollar cost averaging DCA. This is where you invest a set amount of money regularly, regardless of market conditions. This way, you're buying at both high and low points, and over time, it balances out. Buying the dip. When stocks take a significant drop, it can be tempting to jump in and grab those bargains. But make sure you're not just buying based on emotions. Stick to your research and strategy. Buying the dip. When stocks take a significant drop, it can be tempting to jump in and grab those bargains. But make sure you're not just buying based on emotions. Stick to your research and strategy. One of the hardest parts about investing during a crash is keeping your emotions in check. It's easy to let fear or greed control your actions. But successful investors know how to stay calm and stick to their plan. No matter what the market is doing, remember, crashes are temporary. The market will recover, but the key is staying patient. Another important lesson here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and even countries, you'll minimize the risk of a huge loss during a crash. 6. Avoid margin trading. One thing to avoid during a crash is margin trading, essentially borrowing money to invest. This can work when the market is going up, but when it crashes, you could end up losing more than you invested. It's risky, and it's best to stay away from it during a market downturn. Ever wonder how some people make $67,000 every single week without trading hours for dollars? What if I told you there are 7 passive income ideas that can help you reach that goal starting today? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step. Hey there, I'm your name, and in this video, I'm going to share the exact strategies I use to make $67,000 per week in passive income. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. I've built these systems over time, and I'm going to break them down in simple steps for you. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more content like this. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing. Show a screen recording of a website with affiliate links. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning passive income online. How does it work? You promote other people's products, and for every sale made through your referral link, you earn a commission. The best part, you don't need to create your own product. I focus on niches I'm passionate about, like tech and finance, and partner with brands that have proven high-converting affiliate programs. With the right strategy, you can set up email campaigns, write blog posts, and create YouTube videos to drive traffic and earn commissions while you sleep. 2. Online courses and digital products cut to you showing a well-organized online course platform or ebook on a tablet. Next, selling online courses or digital products has been a huge game changer for me. I created courses on topics I'm already skilled in, and by doing that, I make money every time someone enrolls even if I'm not actively involved. It's the perfect example of earning money while doing nothing. If you have a skill that others are willing to pay for, you can easily turn that knowledge into an income-generating asset. Think about it. Once the course is created and automated, it just keeps selling. 3. Real estate investment. Number 3 on my list. Real estate. I've been investing in properties that generate consistent rental income. You don't need to be a real estate expert to get started. There are platforms that let you invest in properties with just a few $100. This way, you get the benefits of real estate ownership like passive income and appreciation without the hassle of managing the property yourself. Or, if you prefer a hands-off approach, you can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, which give you a slice of the profits from real estate without buying properties directly. 4. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are another great passive income stream. By investing in companies that pay regular dividends, you're essentially getting paid to own a piece of the company. It's like having a monthly paycheck from your investments. The key is to invest in solid, reliable companies that have a history of paying and increasing dividends over time. Over the years, this can add up to a substantial amount of money flowing into your bank account with little to no effort from you. 5. YouTube channel ad revenue and sponsorships. Running a YouTube channel is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Once your videos start getting views, you'll earn ad revenue from Google. It might take time to build an audience, but once you hit that critical mass, you can earn money from your content 24/7, and it doesn't stop there. You can also monetize through sponsorships and brand deals once you have a loyal following. This is how many YouTubers are making 6 to 7 figures each year. 6. Dropshipping. Another income stream is dropshipping. In this model, you create an online store, but you don't hold inventory. Instead, when someone buys from your store, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. With the right products and marketing strategies, dropshipping can be fully automated, so you don't need to worry about logistics. The key to success here is finding the right products and targeting the right audience. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Lastly, peer-to-peer lending is a great way to earn passive income by lending your money to individuals or small businesses. In exchange for your investment, you'll receive regular interest payments. Some platforms even let you choose which loans to and based on your risk preference. Ever wondered how some people make $500 a day online, working from home or on their own time? In 2025, it's easier than ever, but only if you know how to do it. Stick around, and I'll show you 5 proven ways that could help you reach $500 a day, even if you're starting from scratch. 1. Freelance services. Online skills. If you have a skill, there's money to be made. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, coding, social media management, or anything else, you can sell your expertise on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Why it works. Freelancing allows you to work with clients all around the world, meaning your earning potential is limitless. If you're serious about making $500 a day, try offering high-demand services or specialize in something that businesses are desperate for, like website development, content creation, or digital marketing. How to make it happen? Start by building a strong portfolio to showcase your skills. Set competitive prices and gradually raise your rates as you gain experience. Don't be afraid to hustle, apply for multiple jobs, pitch your services, and build a reputation. 2. E-commerce, sell products online. In 2025, e-commerce is booming, and it's not just about big brands. Whether it's drop shipping, print on demand, or selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy, you can set up an online store with minimal upfront costs. Why it works? Selling products online allows you to reach global markets without the need to hold inventory or create a physical store. You just need a great product and the right marketing strategy. How to make it happen? Pick a niche you're passionate about and research the most popular products in that space. Set up a store using Shopify or Etsy, or sell on platforms like Amazon or eBay. Use social media and paid ads to drive traffic to your listings. 3. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, and more. If you're comfortable in front of the camera or love sharing your knowledge, content creation could be your ticket to making $500 a day. YouTube, TikTok, and even blogs can generate passive income once you've built a solid following. Why it works? Creators who grow large, engaged audiences can earn money through ads, brand deals, sponsorships, and even product sales. The key is consistency and offering value to your audience. How to make it happen? Choose a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything from gaming, fitness, cooking, tech reviews, personal finance, or even just daily vlogs. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and optimize your content for search engines. Monetize your content through platforms like YouTube Partner Program, TikTok Creator Fan, or affiliate marketing. For online courses and coaching, if you have expertise in a certain area, creating an online course or coaching program can be a great way to make money. This could be anything from teaching photography to life coaching, fitness, or business strategy. Why it works? People are always looking to learn new skills, and they're willing to pay for knowledge that can improve their lives. Once your course is created, it can be sold to an unlimited number of people, generating a passive income stream. How to make it happen? Identify your area of expertise and create a structured course. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable make it easy to host and sell your course. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and collaborations. 5. Stock market and investment. This one takes a little more knowledge and upfront learning, but once you get the hang of it, investing can make you a solid income. Whether it's through day trading, swing trading, or long-term investments, the stock market holds great potential to help you make $500 a day. Why it works? With the right strategy and research, you can see great returns in the stock market. Many people are making substantial profits through day trading or investing in stocks, real estate, and even cryptocurrency. How to make it happen? Educate yourself on trading and investing strategies. Online courses, books, or mentors can help. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Always remember that investing carries risks, so only invest what you're willing to lose. So there you have it. 5 amazing ways to make $500 a day in 2025. Some of these ideas can be started with little or no investment, and others may require a bit of learning. But with persistence and a willingness to hustle, you can start seeing results. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on how to create and grow your income in 2025.